I don't walk this way often enough. I tend to head for the woods, and it's years since I've been down here, and it's just such a short distance from home. It's the footpath that runs from the Bierce into Bream, and there's just such an abundance of food. We've got cleavers, nettles, cow parsley. What else have we got? Oh yeah, Jack by the Hedge. Earlier on I saw some more wild garlic. There's been what else has there been? Dandelions, and I've forgotten what else now. There's going to be plenty of sloes down here later. Footpath goes through here. In fact, we're going that way, but there's no sign to say. Interesting. Oh well, we're going that way anyway. No signposting here either to say which way to go. Good job I have a map, and I'm dead on the footpath. Nice handy stone to sit on. On here we've got hairy bittercress. These. And cow parsley. Note the hairy stems. Not to be mistaken for water hemlock, which is deadly poisonous. That's a better example of hairy bittercress. You can see the leaves better. Lovely mustardy kind of flavour. Red dead nettle. Well, there is a stile in there, but it's a little bit overgrown. Luckily, there's a huge gap in the hedge. Still no signs to tell a person where to go though. Still following the direct line of the footpath. Diagonally across the field. Oh wow, I just saw a hare. I couldn't believe it. I've just got the camera out too late. There's another one. I don't know whether... Ha! I've got such good dogs. Look at that. Didn't even give chase. You're a good boy, Elf. I think Pixie can smell where it was though. Just out onto Bream Avenue now. At least there's a footpath sign from this end on the road. And it goes across there. That looks a bit overgrown, but we're going that way anyway. More wild garlic. We're now in Knox Park, which is where the footpath was closed a couple of days ago. How awful is this? Somebody's obviously camped here and they've just left their tent and blanket. It's been here a while. Maybe have to come back another day and pick it up when the car's a bit closer. Just passing the old iron mines. There's a small example of wood avens. It's got the root's got a licorice flavour. Isn't that always the way? Just when you get a beautiful magnolia in bloom, we have a hard frost that damages the flowers. It's really sad. Got a lot of roadworks going on here. They're putting in high-speed broadband cable. So much noise going on in that hedge. All the little sparrows. White dead nettle. We're back on the bridleway now that runs between Bream and the Beers. It really is a lovely walk. I should do this one more often. Where's Elf gone? Come on mate, catch up. Chickens are being very vocal. Badger set. Lots of feathers outside this hole. I'm wondering if this could be a fox. Not sure. Pixie looking pretty as a picture. And a wonderful bank of primroses. Gorgeous. Oh, Elf! No, he's got a... Elf had found part of a carcass to chew on. Ugh. He was heading back to get the carcass. Good boy, Elf. Violets. Edible, of course, but I wouldn't pick them. These wildflowers are so rare now. Same with the primroses. I won't pick those out in the wild, although the flowers are edible. I've got this new foraging tool. I don't know whether I can film this and open it at the same time, because I haven't got a tripod with me today. Where's the clip? There we go. Great, I'm going to collect myself some cow parsley. I've just noticed inside the handle there's a knife on that side, and inside there, can't see it very well, but there's a little saw. How cool is that? It's so neat. It's even got its own little pouch. There. This is the cow parsley. Not to be confused with hedge parsley, which is this one. Or lady's lace, this is sometimes called. Cow parsley, hedge parsley. Almost back at the car. The good thing about foraging on these lanes is you don't get any pollution on the plants from traffic fumes, and it's less likely that dogs have peed on it, unless it's your own, of course. Nearly back at the car. And this is ground elder. I've never actually tried ground elder before. I'll find out what you have to do to it, but it is edible apparently. There's the cow parsley. I'm just going to blanch it for a little bit in some boiling water.